Hello, dear friends. Today, I'll share with you 100-year-old anti-aging secrets. Natural banana masks that erase wrinkles and rejuvenate the skin, even at the age of 70. Banana is rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E, as well as potassium and antioxidants. It nourishes, reduces fine lines, lightens dark spots, and restores elasticity. A simple ingredient, yet incredibly powerful for youthful skin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing beauty secrets. Let's start by blending a ripe banana into a smooth puree. First recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of banana puree. Add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. It hydrates, softens, and brightens the skin. Then add half a teaspoon of honey. It nourishes and protects. Benefit. This mask moisturizes, smooths wrinkles, and makes the skin radiant. How to use? Apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then cool water. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments which city you are watching us from. Second recipe, take 1 teaspoon of banana puree. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. It soothes and regenerates the skin. Then add a few drops of vitamin E. It fights free radicals and slows aging. This mask reduces inflammation, restores elasticity, and prevents wrinkles. How to use? Apply with light massaging motions to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water, then splash with cool water. Apply moisturizer afterward. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of banana puree. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Shea butter. It deeply nourishes and softens fine lines. Benefit. This mask smooths wrinkles, restores suppleness, and rejuvenates dry, tired skin. How to use? Spread evenly on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, followed by cool water. Use 2 to 3 times per week. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fourth recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of banana puree. Add 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. It gently exfoliates and improves circulation. This mask removes dead cells, refreshes dull skin, and improves tone. How to use. Massage gently onto your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then splash with cool water. Moisturize the skin. Use once a week. Fifth recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of banana puree. Add 1 teaspoon of almond flour. It smooths and nourishes the skin. Then add 1 teaspoon of milk. It brightens and hydrates. Benefit: this mask lightens pigmentation, smooths wrinkles, and restores natural glow. How to use. Apply evenly on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water, then cool water. Apply moisturizer. Repeat 2 to 3 times per week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.